Ting on it.
Wow.
You think that? Give me a shine, take my hand, we'll be fine.
Well, you know, so just like shamu the thing, shamu sa lembu de. Shamu shit are good, baby.
Give me the dish, baby. मुझको अपनी जान में प्यारी. Party all night, party all night, party all night. We do party all night. Looking always cute. Thank you, Riga 9083. Riga la look it's the bit at.
Joe, the 2nd December engagement says, Jojo, what are you doing as work? I have a shop.
Yes.
Yes. Empty na shop you, so are you?
Can you filter tea, baby?
I like it, baby.
Okay. Hello, hi, I'm Siki. What are you going to order dinner tonight, Shinzi?
We will show you.
Yes.
We will show you. We are at Aromomo
Cafe.
Restaurant. Oh, cafe.
Yeah.
Cafe as well.
Jojo, eye wrinkle. Endless. Why are you going to go to the dinner time, yes. Full moon ray today. No bad comment, please.
Oh my God, they're so kind of you.
Thank you, Yadi. Nice to see you both. Love from Lada. Thank you so much. We love you back. Sring Diski.
Namshi thangmo yore che Lada dandan.
Ajay dela namshi didu. Tashi delek both of you. Tashi delek Vincent Dolma. Baby, hello.
Oh, thanks. My coffee.
Love from Lada, thank you. Baby is a coffee cappuccino, less cappuccino. Lucky Ray, always eating outside food.
Yeah, you can call that. Lana Digore, Lucky Ray and Digore, but one has to be cautious. Outside foods are not healthy. Lana Digore, but can't skip.
You both are beautiful. Thank you, Pumuzemachi. You both look alike, cute Korwan couple. Adore you guys. Thank you. Tashi Delek from Chicago. Tashi Delek.
Oh, you baby.
Chicago. Korean Lasale. Thank you, Yade. Love from Holland. Thank you, Sedu Pal 85. Handsome boyfriend and cute girlfriend. Thank you, Islam Orchina.
Thanks for making me happy.
Me too. Love from Lada Lasani. Thank you, Lemba. Welcome, Lada Las. Tashi Delek. Love from Grace. Grace Lahore, France.
Grace, I have no idea, baby.
How is shop business? Song under the last bit.
It's doing well by the grace of God. Yes.
Love from France. Thank you, Selden Tensi. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Tashi the lake. Sitting 5.
Kanishka requested video call. I guess me personally, I'm not confident picking up.
Sorry, don't mind,
yes,
please.
Yeah.
We have conversations. We would have conversations.
Yes.
We came from Plateau. Okay, baby, we came from Plateau. Thogani yung na dirda.
Plateau na phele la wala baby. Phele le la wala.
Love from Canada. Thank you, Rinjin Dolma. We love you back. Thank you, Kanishka, for understanding.
Sorry if I were rude.
You guys
Kanishka.
are so cute. Thank you, Kanishka.
Because if it will not be a long story, one of her senior in a live session, somebody flashed, so that's why we are a bit scared. We haven't come out of that trauma.
Yes.
Yeah, please understand.
Cafe nameless, Aro Momo and Cafe. No, you was not, Leslie. Thank you for understanding, Kanishka. Any plan for making baby? Not now, not now. I don't need no more than diamond.
That's one of the frequently asked questions.
Hello.
Yes, we do want a baby. Yes, we want to have one baby. Yeah, raw baby.
Raw baby.
What in the mother? Everybody wants baby.
Yes.
Wants a baby, I guess.
Tashidilig you both. Tashidilig cheeky.
Taidele, chula.
Yeah, no worries to say. Thank you, Kanishka.
Yes, thank you. I hope, yeah, that's not a long story. Just wanted to share.
Alala, the live saying,
Okay, B. Okay,
let's stop us. Guys, have a nice day. Bye, good night. Thanks for joining us.